I mean, they are not vicious man killers. They're challenging, you know, but so are we. So my name is Paula, and I am the owner and director of Wolfwood Refuge. Wolfwood is a state and federally licensed rescue for wolves and wolf dogs. I rescued a wolf dog about 30 years ago. He kind of chose me. I put this giant wolf dog in the back of my brand new Thunderbird. He laid down, rode the whole way back to California without moving a muscle. So when I moved to Colorado, I brought him and he was real depressed. So I rescued one to be his friend, and then another one, and then another one, until it became everything I do. Now it's our passion. It's ridiculously hard work, but it's what we do. Because I've been doing it for almost 30 years, I've learned so much from them, you know, and have been open and willing to whatever lessons they have to teach me. The role of wolves from a spiritual aspect is teacher. I feel a connection with them on every level. We're talking years of observation and years of every day, you know, being with them. They accept me because they have that ability to relate to a different species. Wolves are like people in that they change their behavior based on the situation. They look at me as an individual, right? And then they look at one of my caretakers as a different individual. It's that individuality, I think, that also helps us relate to them. They're intelligent, they're independent, they're playful. When you take some of the definitions of culture, language, all that, you can apply that to wolves. There's a culture there. It's unique and complicated. Again, they're not simple animals. Which is why interacting with them, meeting with them, you know, touching them is so important. Wolves are like people in that we understand family, we understand group dynamics, and they do too. Wolves need their family, wolves need their packs, and that's always a beautiful thing for us.